So thank you, Martin Boiragi, for sharing your experience. We are very
Agriculture University. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. Thanks are also due to the United States Agency for International Development.
And now then harvesting and processing loss is there. So we need a
I also thank our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. Lutful Hassan.
For that. And we need to actually develop the local mechanics and local
question and give the appropriate answer to the people's mind. When generally we
of mechanization, which is very needed for
regulation led by the CG system.
We have to develop skill to modify machineries. In case of need, we got to do reverse engineering. Our medium and long-term goal would be to manufacture agricultural implements locally. We will promote local entrepreneurs and also encourage joint venture for advanced technologies with foreign investment. I'm glad to note that meanwhile, many local entrepreneurs making spare parts of implements, and some of them are quite innovative and introducing new products. We have established a agriculture engineering wing in the Department of Agricultural Extension. We will be having agriculture engineer at out in the field level. They will be able to help the farmers, entrepreneurs, then post-harvest, post-use, post-sale services to the equipment. I can tell you that for this government, there are a number of special priority, and mechanization is one of them. These days, Bangladesh is moving from traditional agriculture to modern agriculture.